Hey everyone, welcome back to my another video, and today I'll show you the best FPS boost guide for Marvel Rivals in 2026 to get smoother gameplay and higher performance. So I don't have Marvel Rivals installed in my PC, so I'm just gonna tell you everything, so make sure to listen very carefully. First, you have to go to your graphics settings, like just go to your settings and search for graphics and click on graphics settings. Once you do this, you have to click on browse and select where your Marvel Rival games is. Suppose this is your Marvel Rival games, just click on this and click on add. Once you add this, your Marvel Rivals should appear here. Now what you have to do is click on options and click on high performance and save this. Once you do this, now the second option would be scaling your resolution. You have to set your resolution scale to around 80 to 90%, so you won't notice much visual difference, but your FPS will increase a lot. After that, enable full screen mode, not windowed or borderless. Full screen gives better performance in most systems. So yes, these methods can fix your problem and should increase FPS in your game. So yes, this is it for today's video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.